Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make funny faces on videos or pictures in CapCut Mobile. So if you want to add hilarious effects to your videos or pictures with CapCut Mobile, you can easily animate faces to create funny and eye-catching edits in seconds. So what you need to do is just open CapCut and then start a new project, and here you whether you want to add pictures or videos, but you need to make sure that the face is clearly visible, so that it can easily so you'll be easily use the effects in CapCut. Okay, so I've already choose the video. As you guys can see, the face is clearly visible, so you need to choose video like this. Now to apply the effects, you can go straight to effects in here and choose a body effects. Now you can just swipe until you find the funny faces category, this one. As you guys can see, there are lots of funny faces effects that you can apply to your videos. Let's try one by one. This one is embarrassed. Here, this is the face. You can tap on a check icon to apply. Here you can also apply a different one if you want to make it funnier. So let's say the first one is embarrassed. I'm going to add another one in here. Let's try this big head. Here you can also adjust the range and also the intensity. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Click on a check icon again, and let's add another one in here. I'm going to add now, so cute. And I'm going to add another one here. Let's try the gorilla face. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So you can preview the result by playing the video, and this is how you can make your face funny in a video using CapCut effect. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.